I only did 5 minutes of a vlog yesterday. I just didn't see any point in me putting the bloody vlog, the 5 minute vlog up. So I've added it onto this vlog, which is, you're just away to watch that now. And I shall do Saturdays throughout today as well. So today is like a joint version from Friday to Friday and Saturday. So you're getting 2 days in one. Hello,
Everyone,
it is like what?
1:30. One.
Just let me check. It is.
I shall give you time.
Yeah, 1:30.
In the morning. So all of you better get that fucking sleep. I'm just waiting to go to sleep now. Because I'm so tired. And I shall see you in the morning. Wait, it's already morning. I shall see you in the afternoon. Well, morning, afternoon. One of those times.
I am so very sorry, people. I've not done much of a vlog today, and basically it's because I had a thumping headache today, and I've just basically slept most of the day. So today's just gonna be a small vlog. See what I can do. I shall probably go and get my PSP. Maybe. Oh yeah, go and get my PSP. Continue to play the Minecraft on that. Create the house that I'm still building. And we'll see how things go. To Samantha! Ready? Person that I like and basically I go crazy with. Anyway, this is how the pasta was meant to go. That's the type of sauce that you want it to go like. Not like that dry, sticky way that we made it yesterday. That was rubbish, but the pizza was fine. Well, the cheese was a little bit crispier than what it was usually, but still, the pizza was fine. This is how it's meant to go. All I just did was add more hot water, well, more water, let it boil, then added more cheese. It was just needing that. But that's the way it's meant to go. And let's see if it tastes alright. That's perfect. That's the way it's meant to go, because you're meant to taste that like cheesiness to it. That's how it goes. But also, I hope that you're doing okay today. Well, you said that you were doing okay, but I'm still making sure that you are okay. Through a video that isn't going to make sense, considering that I'm going to... This is like, what? 10 to 8? I'm going to be probably uploading this at around about 10, 11 o'clock. I know it's not much of a vlog though, but still, it still counts. And I kind of fucked up yesterday with the vlog when I was trying to give out that message to like everyone in London. What I was really meaning to say was my thoughts go out to them. It was terrible what happened. So far from what I heard, the first part that what I heard was like there was 3 people that died, which is still terrible. And then, what was it? I think I was watching Tom Syndicate's vlog, and he mentioned that what's this world coming to, and then about something like he went on about the thing that, well, not the accident, the terrible thing that happened in London, the attack. And then it was like there was, I think it was about 5 or 6 people more that died. I mean, what the hell? But anyway, not anyway as in like, I'm still going on about the tragedy, the attack. Just need to get plate here. Yeah, I was just mainly trying to get like, my thoughts go out to everyone that's down in London. The people that died, obviously I don't know them, but my thoughts are with them, their families, friends, loved ones. Just, it's just sad. What the hell, people? I should actually say good morning, but I can't be arsed, so go fuck yourself. Anyway, it is. I don't know if you can see that. Let me turn it around. Much better. It's 4:04 in the morning. Why the hell am I awake? I have no idea why I'm awake. I should be sleeping. Sleeping. Just basically sleeping. I have no idea why I'm awake. I'm still fucking tired. I just have no idea. And today, I shall be going through to Arbroath, seeing my mum, my nephew, maybe my nephew's dad. Then probably doing other stuff, and we'll just see where the day takes us because I have no idea what to do. Also, this right now is Saturday morning. I only did 5 minutes of a vlog yesterday, which I just let me. Holy crap! It's like gorgeous. What the fuck's that? I thought that was a fucking eagle on the top. Well, we don't get eagles in Scotland, so can't say it's an eagle. Anyway, bollocks. 1 minute. Right, so as I was saying, it's a scorcher of a day today. I'm away to go and get milk. I think there's a bird in that bird's nest. I'm away to go and get milk and juice. Pepsi Max. I love my Pepsi Max. I don't mind bees, but I hate them. There's fucking tons of them out now. The spring's here. So it is officially spring, unless it's summer, and I've slept through spring. Although I think on the calendar they got it wrong because it said like a few weeks ago that it said that was the first day of summer or something like that, and I was thinking to myself it's still fucking winter, not summer. People need to stop fucking burning their toast or burning stuff. Fucking does my head in. Fire alarm. Look what landed outside my door. A beautiful little butterfly. I think it's a butterfly anyway. It's not a piece of garbage, is it?
That's exactly what she said. How do you know that?
I'm a girl. It's like page 1 out of the playbook.
I want to go close to it just in case it like scared it away. Although This is how far away from it I am.
If you guys would shut up, I could tell you. Be quiet, be quiet.
First butterfly I've seen this spring. There we go, it flew away. Hello, Mr. Big fucking ass bird. Fuck. That's a big fucking ass bird.
Sacred animals.
I think he's noticed my fucking cheese. Oh boy.
You saw it. Our markers are online. We've got the power.
All right,
Hang on, Zordon. We're on our way.
let's do it.
Right, people. I decided to defrost chicken. It's chicken breast this time, not chicken like full chicken, because last time I did get food poisoning and that was disgusting. So, I'm defrosting the chicken. The middle is still frozen, but look at this. What? I'm fucking cooking the chicken while I'm at it as well. What the fuck? Seriously? I'm like, that's white chicken there. That. Why is it telling me to flip it? That's cooked. That's not. But that part is, and that part is. Although I still won't want to eat it though, because it still would give me a food poisoning. But what the fuck? I don't know how many grams that is, but I put it on for 5 grams. That's went on for 20 minutes. 5 grams is 24.40, and it's still not defrosted. Look.
Many hours of queuing later, Eeyore joined us on the platform.
Oh, it's fucking like. What the fuck? Seriously? Like cooked all around that? And it's cooking all this? What the fuck? I noticed that I do say fuck a lot of times, and there I just said it again. Fuck it. Right, put it on for 10 grams this time. This is how long it's going to take, apparently, to defrost that. That's not possible. I'm going to cook this on radiation. It's going to get radiated, and I guarantee it'll still be frozen in the middle. Fuck! Time to chicken my chicken, which is probably like halfway cooked. Oh look, it's all white. I don't know. Think. I fucking cooked the damn thing inside my microwave. Although, I guarantee you, I stick this knife in it, and it's gonna still be frozen. I take that back. It's not frozen. That's cooked. Although I still wouldn't eat it because that's still pink there. pink underneath it, and everything else. Yeah, that's um uh
What's that noise?
don't know what to say.
That has to be my new best ever recipe. Succulent cod fillets wrapped in my new golden crispy batter.
I fucking cooked it in the fucking microwave and I can't say stop saying fuck. So, looks like I don't need to defrost it anymore. Just need to fry it. Tell you what the fuck I'm gonna do tonight. Take out them other 2 pieces of chicken that I've got in my fucking freezer and let it defrost so that it's nice and squishy. And then I shall, don't know, long grain rice. Perfect in 10 minutes. Good. Just need to boil it. Frying pan. Frying pan, what else do I need? What else do I need? Oh, that's right, the bloody sauce that's in the freezer. Fridge, not freezer. I hope that sauce is going to be okay. We are going to have chicken korma. And for people who say that that's not korma, it fucking too damn is. Or people who like spiciness, Samantha. It is korma, and it's good korma, and it's good curry. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm just totally like hyped up now. I don't know why. It's only like 5:45. Yeah, 5:45, and I'm like hyped up and all that. Also, it's Mother's Day tomorrow, so happy Mother's Day to every mother that's in the world. I don't know how to cut this because the chicken's fucking hot and oh yeah, I forgot something. Couldn't forget the lard. Cut the lard. Maybe I should cut some lard. I've got a big like watery belly. Tubby belly. What the fuck's up with me today?
Everything to your satisfaction.
It's fucking hot. Motherfucker, that's hot. Right, so rice, curry, chicken, Hopefully it's going to taste good, even though that was cooked in the microwave. But I sliced it up, put it in the frying pan, fried it for a little bit, minute or two. And then I have added the sauce, which I'm hoping is going to taste alright as well. Also, since it's Mother's Day tomorrow, I'm gonna see if I can ask my mum, see if she would give me money. I am actually needing currently £112.50. This is for the Insomnia Gaming Festival in the NEC Birmingham. I might need to go and turn that heat down. Anyway, the megabus down there is £15, but I leave at 8:10 if I'm allowed to go down on Thursday, and I arrive there at 4 AM. The only thing is, like, say if, like, obviously I'm just doing like a circle thing here for like, say if it was illumination, sorry, see if the circle thing is, like, say Birmingham, right? The bus stop in Birmingham is up at Hill Street. Like, say if it was up at this corner, right? I've got curry on my finger. Say if it, oh, actually, tell a lie. I'm gonna use the screen that basically you're looking at. Say that the bus stop's up at this corner, right? I need to get all the way down here to this corner here, which is a pain in the ass, because there's no buses that go around at 4 AM in the morning. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I would have to wait 7 hours before I get the next bus or something like that. Or yeah, that just a couple of hours, to be honest. But thingy, I would be so tired at 4 AM. I don't know what I would do. And I do have a free bus pass, but it doesn't work in England, so that's the only problem. On the way coming back, it's no problem, because the bus departs at 2:30 in the morning, and it arrives up here at 10. I've got no problem with that, because I'll be able to get a bus back to mine on Monday. But what's your thoughts on it? Because the 14th to the 17th of April, for like the weekend thing, I'll get a weekend ticket. It's £77.50. It's £77.50 for a weekend ticket, 15 for the bus going down, 20 for the bus coming back up. It comes to £112.50. But I've still not got my accommodation yet, so I would need to see what that is. But there's no fucking hotels that are next to the area, and this is holy shit and bollocks. That's boiling. Whoa, I need to, like, severely... thinking that. But anyway, I really want to go down to this gaming festival. I'll vlog it as well while I'm down there, if I get to go. Which I would love to go down, but we'll see what happens. Have a guess who I am watching? It is the man with the plan. It is Tom Syndican. Sorry, Tom. Who is this? Syndicate. So I was watching Tom's vlog, and for some reason my internet stopped. Well, the video stopped, right? Apparently, I've got an internet connection problem. Oh, now it's connecting. Connected, but there's still a problem for some reason. There's still a problem. I'm still connected because I just got a message through on the thing, but like, what the hell? Look, watch this. I've got like a star thing above the internet signal. I'm connected. I paused it though. Oh, it's fucking loading. So the piece of fucking shit starts working. Always happens. But what the hell? Got like a star above that and don't know why.
Where does this bring us?
Right, it's about 7 o'clock. The sun's going down. It's a nice bluey sky. It's a light blue and then it goes up to the dark blue. I quite like that. Anyway, guess what I've left outside? And I'll leave it for a minute or so. Or I'll pause it here, or I'll stop it here. And I'll let yous guess. Or either that, you should have paused it. And then, obviously, write, or have a think, guess, and see what I've left outside. But, for me, I've got clothes outside that have been drying for the full day. I'm glad that the wind hasn't taken it down. Oh, is that a star? Can't tell if that's a star or not. Don't think it is. What do you... Right, so my washing's in. I didn't eat much of my tea. I don't want to get myself food poisoning, but I need to write out my Mother's Day card. I've still not found a photo for my fucking Mother's Day present. Don't know what to put in it. I'll find some. But let's go and kill some zombies. I'm hoping that my cousin's online. And my PlayStation's in there, in that room, instead of on this one. So I am moving through to my bedroom. I need to turn off my light in here. I've got Pepsi Max to refuel myself. I need to start doing fitness stuff, weights, fitness. I've got a fitness thing here, if it focuses. I've got a fitness exercise sheet, all of them. Obviously it's got to have the caution, but who cares about the cautions? And I've got like near enough 50 kilograms there, on top of the stuff that's in there. The barbell is in that, and I've got a whole pile of clothes on my floor. But PlayStation time, which is going to be fun, and it should be fun. I shall TV on, put that controller there. PlayStation on. Yeah. Here's hoping that my cousin's online. Is he online? I wonder. Let's see. There's 14 people online. Let's see if he is. Woohoo, he's online. Woohoo! Not Khalif, that fucking bastard. Who else is online? Jesus Christ.
Andrew was on 4 hours ago. Oh well, oh my. Right, so Ark Survival. Get your fucking ass off of that, Michael.
So, about to currently play Dying Light. Me and my cousin are about to kick some zombie ass. So, be sure to catch it. He's just sent my game request. Be sure to catch it. After this or either that will be. It's obviously before this, but you'll be watching this one first, I'm guessing. And that'll be a live stream version. So that's a totally different video that I'm going to be doing. Yeah, it was a pretty bad idea playing this game. I don't have anything. Nothing at all. Because it's a new game, new start. And my screen there, sorry about that. Basically I'm shit. Right, so people, a change of plans. I decided to buy Minecraft for my PS4 again. I am building my house. It'll get saved this time, and it'll look fabulous. I'll show you when it's done. Turns out my cousin is being a jackass. Complete jackass. He burned my city down, the bastard. Oh, what's the time? It is 10:30. I started building this at 9 o'clock. I shall give you a small video detour. So here it is. My current house, including the one that I stay in right now. Here is the living room. Living room that joins onto the kitchen, which is here. It's even got the skylight. If you've seen in my vlogs that the skylight's there. I shall eventually put in stuff, but I'll do that tomorrow at some point. The fridge will go there. A unit thing, or a chest. Well, actually no. Fridge would go there. Unit thing would go there. The stove or the furnace would go there. And I'll put I'll put a block there and either 2 chests there. Put another block there, and I don't know what I'm going to do for a sink, so God knows. Anyway, we'll come along here. This will be the door. Obviously the one that I came in is my back door part. The cupboard, that is in my hall, well sort of my hall. We have the bathroom, which I'm not quite sure on the ground, but oh well. White tiles for them. Sorry, I'm yawning here. And then my bedroom, which, fair enough, the wall isn't that colour yet, but that's the way it's going to be. Dark black, as you've seen in the, well, it's not black, but it's dark grey, as you've seen in the living room, where it is exactly like that. And then obviously we have the attic, which I shall use for storing stuff. So there you have it, my own house built in Minecraft. And it is perfect. So I shall wrap up today's vlog by saying I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to me, hit the notifications button as well, because you'll get notified when I put up the videos. And I shall see you tomorrow on Mother's Day, which by midnight I shall say not happy birthday. What the fuck am I saying happy birthday for? Happy Mother's Day. And I know that this is a long video, but it's been thingied from 2 days. So I'm sorry about that. Anyway, I shall go for now, and I shall catch yous on Sunday. Goodbye.